What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back with another video. Well, I should say tonight, you guys, because it's late and I'm actually uploading this video as soon as I get done with this voiceover. So today we are unboxing Madam Glam. These are a couple of tools that they sent me. There's the silicone tool and then the plaid brush, which is so cool because I've been dying to do like a Burberry nail set. I think that is one of the ultimate nail challenges as a nail artist. Like, can you do a Burberry set? Yes or no? Can we have a Burberry set challenge? Yes or no? Because I think that really shows like your expertise if you can pull that off. So I'm going to be doing that very soon. We're also unboxing the Madam Glam October collection, only partial, but yes. So here's the colors that we have, and you guys, so this collection is a Boston gel party theme for October, and all the colors are nude, and you guys, they're so pretty. Madam Glam's nudes cannot be matched. I'm sorry, they are legitimately so good, and I'm very thankful that Madam Glam is deciding to collaborate with me so that I can show you guys these products and we can look at them together and we can decide whether or not they're a hit or a miss. So I love the names of all of these, and I did actually unbox these on my Snapchat if you guys were there. And then I'm showing you guys that on my nails I have Goddess, and this is just one layer of polish. So anyways, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and swatch these out, and you guys can let me know in the comments what you think. And I did do a bottle pull on all of them to start, and oh my gosh, look at them, you guys. This one is my favorite. I don't know why I always favor the deeper colors more. I just love a beautiful deep nude color. It just makes me so happy. Alright, you guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite so far. This one is my favorite, and I just love them so much. You guys know that Madam Glam's polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, 21 toxin-free formula. They're also environmentally friendly, and because they don't have palm oil, which is environmental friendly. Oh, they're cruelty free as well, which means they're not tested on animals, and so on and so forth. You guys already know the drill. I'm going to be creating a set with these, but I want you guys to drop comments and let me know, or even DM me, because you guys have been DMing me on Instagram lately, and it's been so lit, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for reaching out to me. You guys, I have a lot of updates to give you guys. I'm just waiting for the perfect timing to sit down and talk to you guys. But basically, my DMs have been lit, and you guys have been really enjoying my videos, which makes me so happy. I feel so blessed, and it's been a journey, and you guys are here with me, and that makes it better. And I've learned that you guys are on a journey too, and I really love to appease to that demographic. It's like people who are DIY nail girls, who are new, or who maybe have gotten discouraged or don't know where to start, or just want to interact in the community and feel accepted, and so on and so forth. So I'm totally here for you guys. You can DM me at any time. I will go ahead and make sure that you guys can see that I have Instagram and the Instagram name and all of that. But anyways, so yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of the October collection for Madam Glam. I have been super busy. I'm actually transitioning jobs. If you guys keep up with me, then you know, like, I work all the time. I'm a workaholic. So well, self-proclaimed workaholic. Nah, I know it's bad. I should get rest, right? But anyways, I do work a lot, and so I'm taking on a gig for a couple of weeks. And so for the next couple of weeks, it's gonna be like super tight for me, but I'm still gonna deliver. I have a no reserve video coming. I'm gonna drop that one, and then I also have a born pretty video dropping too. So here are all the swatches, and I gotta get off of here, you guys, because the video is about to end. I love you guys so much. Ahala, peace.